So, me and Brooklyn had this whole intro planned out, but you know she's not with me right now, but I'm about to go get her. Just got done packing for camp. Yeah, so, just hold on. Hi, I'm Laura.
Hey, I'm Brooklyn.
And we're the Big Gang! So, we're on our way to camp. We got KFC. Don't touch my phone! I broke it. Are you okay, Brooklyn? It's not comfortable! I gotta strap my fat rolls in! I got this camp! You guys think save them? Ah! Hey, hi! I thought my phone fell out, but you have it in your hand. Hey guys. It's Big Jam.
Autism at its finest.
Huh?
I said autism at its finest.
Don't say that. No. Bad.
Yeah.
Bad.
I'm scared. What if it stings me through it? What if it bites me? Is it fly? Do you fly? Are you alive? Maybe you are alive.
It has wings.
I'm scared. I almost killed a bug. But it flew off and went you. Not you guys. I'm talking about Laura. Stupid.
What?
Love you guys.
Hey!
You guys see my Christmas lights? Well, yeah. No. Wait. The Christmas lights on her mamma's porch? Yeah. The light's like rainbow.
So it's the next day. Oh no, my nose ring's gone. I don't feel like finding it.
I just jumped off and ran away. Wait, my feet are cold. Cover them up right now.
So I don't know what we're gonna do today, but we'll figure it out. Yeah.
Yeah. Second update.
I found my nose
No,
piercing.
I found her nose piercing.
Oh my god, yes. She found my nose piercing, but I put it in.
Yeah. I just didn't help her find the hole. Wait, and her nose hole's on this. Wait, yeah, wait. I get it.
Bye. Sorry, it's 11:11. She needs to do her little 11:11 wish. Yeah? You f***ing kidding me?
I'll get it.
Yeah, you better.
I'll get it.
We're getting ready to go swimming. We're getting our stuff now. So, yeah. Just hold on. We made it to the pool.
We made it to the pool, obviously.
Yeah, we made it to the pool. Look, I reflect. That's how white I am. So I'm trying to get tan.
Probably not gonna work out.
Yeah, probably not at all, but we're gonna try. Or this is gonna get really burnt. Either way.
You're probably gonna get burnt.
Shut up.
I like getting burnt on my shoulders.
Oh my gosh.
It's weird, but I just love it. And right here. It just feels good sometimes, especially when I put aloe on it.
Brooklyn?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know how I got up here, but I did.
Brooklyn, you're gonna get hurt.
I really am. I don't know how to get down. Down.
Yes, come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Look at the interesting part.
Okay.
How the fuck freak.
Ah! Oh my god. Why are you so far away from me?
Come to me.
Come to me!
My legs have a crime in the pow.
Oh my
Come
I'll
here.
even put the recliner out.
Oh, got my attention.
What?
Sis got burnt.
Sis got tan line.
Sis hates her.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
No, she don't.
Yes, I do.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, I
No,
do.
you
Yeah.
don't. No, she doesn't.
Fucking zombie. So, I kinda got tan.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Kind of. Kind of. Now, her, on the other hand,
I'm looking like Lilo from Lilo and Stitch. Okay, guys, so I just stole Laura's phone. She's in the bathroom, and I'm gonna go scare her butt. Shh. No, ma'am. Your cooking sucks. I'm just playing. You best not throw that pan at
is that recording?
me. Yeah. Oh, thought you were gonna hit me. You freaking.
We're gonna be making pizza. Do you want a piece of pizza?
No!
Okay. Anyway, guys, why is this so heavy? Making pizza.
Ow! Ow!
5. Pause.
I just did it.
So that's the end of our video. Comment, like, subscribe.
The lighting was weird.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed our vlog thing.
What?
I'm a goat.
This whole video was a mess. Let's be honest.
Here.